Okay, so today's inch involves installing this Hampton Bay exterior lantern right next to the door. And step one is you got to cut a hole next to the door. So right here, there's your hole. Make sure the power is off, and you pull your wires through, and that's the first part. All right, so the next step in the process, you have this cross on the back side of your lantern. And what you want to do is there's a little set screw right here. You unscrew that, and then you pull this out. Just like, okay, let me get it out of there. Just like that. That comes out like that. Now, this is actually going to go in your box right here, and you got to make sure your box is set the right way, meaning which way does it sit, horizontally or vertically. This one sits horizontally, and what you do is this bracket is eventually going to live right here, and the lantern will go over the top of that. But you got your wires, you make sure your wires are pulled through. I haven't clipped them yet, but I'll clip them. That's step number 2. And I should have told you before. So this, obviously this piece right here, once you cut your hole in the wall, you just slide this right in there, just like that. All right. And the last step in the process, make sure you connect the white to the white, the black to the black. You ground everything out, and then you simply just put this up here. After you stuff the wires back in the box, let's see if I can do this. Stuff the wires in the box. Bear with me. And then you have to make sure that you hang it in the right place. Just like that. Actually, like that. And then you take your screwdriver. Sorry for the random camera movement. I don't have my tripod today. And you just go ahead and tighten it up like that. Make sure we get it tight. Yep, just like that. There you go, make sure it's straight. And there's the light on the side of the door, and hopefully you'll have a happy life there, light. Okay, Mr. Inch, a piece of the progress puzzle for the day, coming back at you.